Imagine this, you buy a flat, you wait and wait and wait. Years pass, no possession, no refund. Finally, you go to court. You win the case, but still, you don't get your money back. So you think, let me proceed against the directors of the company. And then comes the shock. The Supreme Court of India says you cannot execute the order against the directors. Why? Let us understand this through a very important Supreme Court judgment of Jan 2026. This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisory Group Noida, a multi-disciplinary professional service firm delivering end-to-end advisory solutions across businesses, startup growth advisory, CFO and financial management services, insolvency and restructuring, PMLA and POFA advisory, and real estate consulting. Let us now begin today's presentation. What was the case about? This case is called Unsel Crown Heights Flat Buyers Association versus Unsel Crown Infrabuild Private Limited. A group of home buyers booked flat in a real estate project. The developer promised possession within 36 months. But even after many years, the project was not completed. Left with no choice, the buyers approached the consumer court asking for either possession with interest or refund of their money. In this case, who were the cases filed against? Initially, the buyers filed complaints against the company and its directors and promoters. But at the very beginning itself, the consumer court passed an order saying the case will proceed only against the company, not against the directors. The buyers accepted this. They amended their complaints and the case continued only against the company. This step later became crucial. In Feb 2022, the Consumer Court ruled in favor of the buyers. It ordered the company to complete the project and give possession with interest or refund the entire amount with interest. Sounds like justice was done, right? But here is the problem. The company did not comply with the order. Meanwhile, insolvency proceedings were started against the company under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Therefore, a moratorium came into force. Because of this, no recovery could be done from the company. Execution of the order was practically stuck. So the buyers tried a new approach. Can directors be held responsible? The buyers said, if we cannot proceed against the company, let us recover the money from the directors and promoters. The question reached the Supreme Court, and the key issue was, can an order passed only against a company be executed against the directors? What did the Supreme Court say? The Supreme Court gave a very clear answer. It said, execution must strictly follow the decree. If the final order is only against the company, you cannot go beyond it. In this case, directors were never issued notice. No pleadings were made against them. No evidence was recorded. No findings fixed any personal liability. So legally, there was no basis to proceed against them. The company and directors are separate. The court strongly reiterated an old but powerful principle. A company is a separate legal entity. Its liabilities are its own. Directors are not personally liable unless there is a specific law providing for it, or they gave a personal guarantee, or Fraud is clearly pleaded, proved, and adjudicated. None of these existed here. What about lifting the corporate wheel? The buyers argued. Let us lift the corporate wheel and go after the directors. The Supreme Court rejected this too. It said, lifting the corporate wheel is exceptional. It requires specific pleadings. There must be a prior findings of fraud or misuse. You cannot raise this for the first time at the execution stage. Does IBC moratorium help buyers? The court also clarified an important point. Yes, the IBC moratorium protects only company, not directors. But that does not automatically make directors liable. Moratorium removes a procedural bar. It does not create personal liability where none exists. Final outcome of this case was the Supreme Court upheld the earlier orders. It ruled execution cannot proceed against the directors. The order remains executable only against the company. However, the court added one important clarifications. Buyers are free to explore other legal remedies such as proceedings under the Companies Act, insolvency law, civil or criminal law. This judgment sends three strong messages. Number one, execution courts cannot go beyond the decree. Number two, directors are not personally liable unless liability is clearly adjudicated. Third, corporate wheel cannot be pierced casually or at the execution stage. For home buyers, lawyers, and insolvency professionals, the lesson is clear. Always implead the right parties and establish liabilities at the initial stage itself. This is CA and IP Praveen Agrawal signing off. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you.